let's talk about the science of driving a car as a high schooler. So, when you're a high schooler, and believe it or not, I was one as well, you often think that there's a direct relationship between the coolness, which is your y axis, and the speed at which your vehicle is traveling, which is the x. So, you think the linear relationship, remember that old formula, y equals mx plus b, that as the x increases, the x value goes up, you think your coolness, your y factor goes up as well. You think that there's a relationship that is linear, and you think it's perfectly linear. So an r squared of 1, which means for every mile per hour faster you go, your coolness goes up. However, this initial assumption is totally incorrect. Your coolness, which we'll draw as a line right here, which is your perceived coolness, you think it's linear. Let's use a different color. You'll use green. It's actually stable regardless of the speed you go. Because believe it or not, your coolness, which we'll draw down here, is affected by many different variables outside of driving. It's not related to how fast your car is going or the speed factor. It's related to many other social aspects. So no matter how fast you go, your coolness actually stays the same. But here's a little twist to this plot. What actually happens is an accident, a car crash, let's call it accident, has the potential to lower your coolness. Accidents are not cool. And an accident actually can occur at a higher probability when you're going above the speed limit. So SL is the speed limit when you're going faster than the speed limit. So the only thing that can actually reduce your coolness when driving a car is going too fast and increasing the likelihood of an accident. Other than that, the speed at which your car is traveling is not related at all to your coolness factor. We would like to say the r squared of this is 0. There is no relationship. There's no relationship between the speed at which your car is traveling and your coolness. And the only way you can actually lower your coolness is by going too fast. So that's the science of driving a car as a high schooler. We all made the initial assumption that coolness and speed were related, but they're not. And as a matter of fact, going too fast and getting yourself in an accident will make you less cool.